Hello my little stars, I am Miss Fatma. Hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Seen pesh su, sheen pesh shu, sod pesh su, zod pesh zu, toy pesh tu, जोए पेश जू। आइए अब रमा पढ़ते हैं। सु, शु, सु, जू, तू, जू। Okay stars, hope you learned very well. See you in the next class. Bye.